Now on page 23, this paragraph and the next paragraph is the answer of the question. Okay, what strategies did he use to combat isolation on the sea? Strategies उसकी यही हैं, उसकी soliloquies. He's talking to himself and he's saying कि if others heard me talking out aloud, they would think that I'm crazy. And then he's saying कि बाकी लोगों के पास उनके radios हैं, they can bring the baseball to their boats. And then he's saying कि अब ये baseball के बारे में सोचने का time नहीं है, because it is the time to only think about one thing for which I was born for, and that is to think about fish. And then he's saying कि and he's then thinking कि सारी ही fish जो हैं, why are they going towards one particular direction? And then he's asking himself, is it time of the day or is it a sign of a weather that I do not know? And then he has come far out. अब वो बहुत दूर आ चुका है. अब उसको बिल्कुल भी green hills नहीं नज़र आ रही sea coast की. And the sea was very dark and there is plankton. Plankton कहते हैं fish के food को. It's like seaweeds, sea plants. A lot of plankton would mean that there are a lot of fish, and a lot of small fish would mean that there must be a big fish there as well. So he is in a place where there is a lot of plankton. And the sun was hot. हम कुछ lines unimportant जो ने skip कर रहे हैं. It is now very hot. जब उसने start किया था अपना ये first day of his fishing, and it was early in the morning. सूरज भी नहीं निकला था, and now it is afternoon. And he's thinking कि मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए सो सकता हूँ, लेकिन he says कि नहीं, आज 85th day है, I should not sleep, I should be alert, today is my lucky day. And then suddenly he sees one of his lines projecting sharply, dip sharply. जब एक line उसकी जो उसने 4 lines उसमें डाली हुई थी पानी में, उसमें से एक line जो थी वो बहुत sharply project कर रही है. इसका ये मतलब है कि there is a fish down there जो उसके bait, उसमें जो sardines as a bait उसने रखा है उसको खा रही है. Yes, he said yes. And then he's happy कि there is a fish down there. And then he could feel no strain nor weight. And then then it came again. दोबारा से उसको strain feel हुआ है अपनी bait के ऊपर, string के ऊपर. It was a tentative pull, not solid nor heavy. And और उसको उस pulling से ही idea हो गया कि what kind of a fish it is. He knows कि it is 100 fathom deep, a marlin which is eating his sardines. और he's an experienced fisherman. उसको उसकी pulling से ही idea हो गया कि what kind of a fish it is. And then he's saying to himself that this far out he must be huge in his mouth. eat them please. So he's talking to himself and he knows कि वो काफ़ी दूर आ चुका है और इतनी दूर जो है जो fish नीचे होगी, that must be very huge. And then he could feel the delicate pulling and a harder pull, and then there was nothing. फिर जब उसको कुछ भी नहीं फील हुआ, he's saying make another turn, just come on, aren't they lovely? And then he waited. And then he's talking to himself, he'll take it. The old man said, God help him take it. God का जब यहाँ word use कर रहा और दूसरी जहाँ पे ऐसे signs मिल रहे हैं which show that the old man was a religious man. He had a belief in God. And the old man felt nothing. He can't have gone, Christ knows. और उसको जो उसका fishing का experience है, उसको ये idea है कि वो नहीं जा सकती, वो यहीं होगी, although he is feeling no movement now. Then he felt the gentle touch on the line and he was happy. It was only his turn, he'll take it. And now he's feeling very happy because he can feel the gentle pulling. And he felt, उसने जब उसको थोड़ा सा pull करने की कोशिश की, he felt कि it was unbelievably heavy. And then उसने लाइन को स्लिप किया है, अपने हाथों से जाने दिया है ताकि फिश को भी वेट ना फील हो. And then what a fish, he said. It's sideways in his mouth now. And then he knew what a huge fish this was. He thought of him moving away in the darkness with the tuna held across his mouth. Okay.